Okay, this is in the rational functions section because you can see some rational terms in here. Okay, if I want to solve for t, question 17, or b, question 18, the main thing is how do you get rid of denominators? Okay, if you need to get rid of the denominators, remember you multiply by them. In other words, question 17, I'm going to multiply both sides by t. If I do that, I'll end up with pt on the left and fd on the right. Simple as that, because think about it. The reason why I did it was those t's cancel, t on this side, there we go. So to get to the t, what do? Divide both sides by p? There you go. That would be the answer. Fairly quick and straightforward. Okay. Now, if I want to solve 18 for b, similar to the previous video, if I need to get rid of an a and a b, I'm going to have to multiply by ab. Okay, again, how do you get rid of denominators? So, a times b, a times b, and of course over here on this side a times b. Right, I've multiplied all three terms by ab because my lowest common denominator is ab. Can you see in the first term the a's cancel, 1 times b is b. In the second term the b's cancel, what's left? Just 1a. Okay, and then I have abc on the right. Okay, if I need to solve for b, I need the b's on one side. In other words, I am going to do this. Okay, so a equals abc minus b. Okay, the reason why I've put them on one side is I can now factor that b out by itself. I'm left with ac minus 1. Think about it. Okay, remember, factoring, it's like doing a division to find out what's left. Take a b out of a b. Let's think about it as 1, okay? So, can you see, to get the b by itself, I divide both sides by ac minus 1, ac minus 1. So therefore, b equals a over ac minus 1, okay? And that's it.